Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if apps like Maps, Weather, Find My, Camera or Uber aren't working properly, it's often because services are turned off, especially location services. In iPhone settings 2026, services allow apps and system features to function accurately and securely. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on services on your iPhone 2026 like a pro, okay? So first thing first, let's go to settings. This is where all system services are managed. Now scroll down and tap privacy and security. Okay, so let's scroll down until you find this option. Okay, so privacy and security, tap it. So this section controls permissions, tracking, and system services. Okay, so now at the top, tap location services. So it is the first option. This is the core of iPhone services. Okay, so turn on location services, toggle location services on, green, as you can see at the top. This enables services such as GPS and navigation, maps and directions, weather updates, Find My iPhone, emergency services, app location features. Okay, without this, many apps will not work correctly. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.